What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily enable or disable the fill handle drag and drop. So basically, whenever you are working in Excel, Excel is very smart. So we have January, February, March, and you can just click right here and then drag it down, and Excel recognizes, hey, these are months, and it goes in order, and you can just drag and drop. But however, you might not want to have it to where it does this if you are trying to do something where Excel is just assuming the wrong thing, or if Excel is just running a little bit slower because it's auto calculating stuff whenever you drag it. So to disable this feature, go to File, all the way down to Options, then click Advanced, and then right at the top, editing options, the third option down is enable fill handle and cell drag and drop. And then you can unclick that and click OK. And now, as you can see, whenever I go to highlight this, like click this little corner for March, it does not do the drag and drop for filling in the months, which can be useful if you know the drag and drop Excel is just assuming the wrong thing. So you'd want to, or if you are just having your Excel spreadsheet run a little bit slower than you want it to because of this. And going back to File, Options, Advanced, one thing to note too is there is also a little button right here to where you can still keep the fill handle and cell drag and drop enabled, but you can just disable having it alert you whenever it's trying to overwrite the cell. So that's it. I just want to show you this feature in Excel. It's pretty amazing, the kind of stuff that you can customize in Excel when you kind of dig into it a bit. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Hope you found this to be useful. Have a great day.